everyone, welcome to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to use and create cameos in Snapchat. So for that, open the Snapchat application first. Once you open the Snapchat, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right. Now once you're at the profile page, what you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom and you will have this option of create cameo selfie. You tap that. Now you just have to put your face on the center and then tap on create cameo. Once you have the create my cameo clickable, you tap that. Here you choose your gender, tap on continue. Tap on OK, and with that you have created yourself a cameo. So this is how you can create and use the cameo features on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.